This laptop is a revolution in education. The benefits of a traditional school shipped directly to your doorstep. It delivers a tuition-free online education designed especially for your child's unique needs. At Georgia Cyber Academy, we've created a revolutionary school environment that's right for you, right from home. Our live classes allow students in grades K through 12 to interact with certified teachers, learn through an engaging online curriculum, and participate in hands-on activities as well as optional in-person events. Your child will build relationships both with classmates and our dedicated staff. We create a partnership with educators, students, and parents that allows your child to receive a fully accredited education in a space that's comfortable and safe for them. Let Georgia Cyber Academy bring school to you. Visit georgiacyber.org and enroll today.